A guide you to download videos using YouTube Premium. For that, firstly, let's hop into the YouTube here. And firstly, you need to do is that you need to get the YouTube Premium. For that, you need to tap on the profile here, which means you, and you need to scroll down to find get YouTube Premium. Let's say if you got that, you can go to the YouTube Premium benefits, and from here you could check whether you have on the YouTube Premium membership or not. After that, you need to get back over there and select any of the video, and let's say I'm tapping on this video now. Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Now let's say if I need to download that, I can tap on download option which is below that video, and from there you could see that has been automatically downloading, and you can tap on view here and it will take you to the downloads of your YouTube. And let's say if you download the any other video, I can scroll down like this to find other video. Let's say I'm tapping on this. Popular. Again, I'm tapping on download. Here you could see that is directly downloading. That means you have YouTube Premium if it is downloading, or otherwise if it shows you for downloading highest quality on YouTube Premium, you can go ahead into that. This is how you download videos using YouTube Premium. Thank you.